In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitch account on your phone. So what we want to do is go to a web browser and then let's go to twitch.tv. And let's go to the desktop version of it. And once you're here, you need to log into your account. And then after you've logged in, tap on your profile pic. And then we want to go to settings. And then we want to scroll down until we see disable Twitch account. Let's tap on disable account. And then let's just fill this up. And then tap on disable account. And now your account has been disabled. And that is how you delete your Twitch account on your phone. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.